What you got in your mouth, Gertie? I think you have a ping pong ball in your mouth, Gertie. Why do you have a ping pong ball in your mouth? Gertie, Gertie, Gertie. What is that in your mouth? You making funny noises? Are you clicking your teeth? Oh, Gertie. Oh! What is that? Where did you get that? Hey, I've never seen that one. Where did that come from? Did that come from that toy? You pulled that out of your cage. Oh, you're going to break it in pieces. Oh. What are you doing, you Gerd? Mrs. McGurtha, don't do that. Oh, that's a nice toy. Don't do that to the toy. Oh, Gerd. Oh, Gerd. Oh boy, oh boy. Now it doesn't make any sounds anymore. No. Kinika is saying, what happened there? What was that funny noises? Kinika liked those noises. I like those noises too. I love you, baby girl. I love you. I love you. I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh.